Very, very good morning, students. How are you? Okay, good. I hope you are good. Welcome back to in our social online class. Did you study? What did you study? In our last class, we learned fourth lesson, right? Caring for each other. That lesson completed. Today, we are going to learn about new lesson from geography. Okay, from geography chapter 8, knowing the earth. Title of the lesson is knowing the earth. Knowing the earth. Where do we live? We live on the earth, right? How can we learn about our earth? Do you know? Maps, globes are helps us to study about the earth. Otherwise, knowing the earth. Understand? Help us maps and globes. Okay, very easy to learn from maps and globes. Have you seen globes? Have you seen a globe? Can, right? Everyone saw, right, ma'am? All the schools already have. See, this is globe. What is this? This is globe. Okay, what is this? Next, this is map. Map and globe, right? Okay, listen. What do you see when you look out of your classroom? You think you are standing your classroom. What do you see when you look out of your classroom? What did you see? Able to see the neighborhood of the school, right? Some houses, shops, something, right? Able to see the neighborhood of the school. Okay, can you see your home? If you look out of your classroom, can you see? Some student can see, some students can't see, right, ma'am? Some student can see, some students are cannot see, right, ma'am? Why? Home is very close to the school. It is unlikely to be visible from the classroom, right? Very close houses only. Your home is very close. You can see very easy. Okay, then most of you like not be able to see your home from your classroom because it is far away, right or wrong? Isn't it? Yes, we can only see places that are nearby. The earth is very, very, very huge. Already we learned, right? To help us to learn about it, we have globes and maps. We can help us to learn about it. About it means earth. About earth, we have globes and maps. Globes. See, globes. Globe is a model of the earth. Globe is a model of the earth, right? That shows us its exact shape. Exact shape. What is the shape of our earth? Spare shape. Already we learned, right? Spare shape. Like an orange. Like an orange in shape, right? A globe is a small model of the earth that shows us its exact shape, right? It is useful, very, very useful, because 2 points given here, right? What are they? Listen. It shows what the earth actually looks like and where the land and water are on the earth. Understand, ma'am? It shows this globes. Globes shows what the earth actually looks like and actually which shape looks like, which and where the land and water are on the earth. Then second point, we can spin a globe. Spin, what is the meaning of spin? Spin means rotate, solar sutradhu. Okay, spin means rotate. We can spin a globe, which helps us to understand how the earth also spins. How the earth also spins. Understand? We can spin a globe. നമ്മൾ ഗ്ലോബ് ചുറ്റി വിടുന്ന നേരം, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് മീനിങ്. ഓക്കെ, വി ക്യാൻ സ്പിൻ എ ഗ്ലോബ് വിച്ച് ഹെൽപ്സ് us to understand how the earth also spins. Okay, then two uses I told. First, we can know about where is water, land. Then that actually which shape is that, this we find out. After that, spin a globe, how earth also spin, we can understand. Okay, then second topic is maps. Map. Globes are not easy to carry from place to place. Globe is a little big, so that's why to carry from place to, not easy to carry from place to place. Okay, so we have maps. We have easy to carry maps. Okay, there are special drawings of different parts of the earth. Okay, maps are flat and can be carried around easily. They can show the whole earth or parts of it. They can show the whole earth or parts of it. Maps give more information than a globe. Understand? Maps give more information than a globe. Which map we can see? 3 points are given here. Know interesting facts about the place. About a place, like whether it has mountains, rivers, or the sea nearby. Okay, know interesting facts about a place, like whether it has mountains, rivers, or a sea nearby. Then second point, find a place. Then third point, get special information such as how much rain a place gets or what roads it has. Understand? Get special information such as how much rain a place gets or what roads it has. Many maps of the different parts of the earth. Okay, or this many maps. What is the meaning of atlas? An atlas has more. Atlas has more places. Okay, more. Atlas has many maps. Many maps together we are called an atlas. Okay, many maps of different parts of the earth are put together into a book are called an atlas. Okay, an atlas has many maps together into a book called an atlas. What is the meaning of atlas? Many maps together into a book called an atlas. Okay, a map is different from a photograph. A map is different from a photograph. Good, you understand? We learn about the earth using a globe or maps. The globe is a model of the earth, and maps are special drawings of different parts of the earth. Okay, and atlas has many maps. Okay, clear? Today enough. Today we learned about globes and maps. Okay, remaining next class we can see. Okay, now we are going to study, answer the following questions, right? Geography, lesson 8, knowing the earth. Title of the lesson is knowing the earth. Geography, lesson 8, knowing the earth. Roman letter E. Answer the following questions. First question, what is a globe? What is a globe? A globe is a model of the earth. Globe, spell the word globe, G-L-O-B-E, globe. Is the model, M-O-D-E-L, model of the earth, E-A-R-T-H. What is a globe? A globe is the model of the earth. Right? Then second question. What is an index useful in an atlas? What is an index useful in an atlas? Answer. An index helps us to find places on maps. It is a list of names of places in alphabetical order at the end of an atlas. Understand? Index means alphabetical order. Places in alphabetical order at the end of an atlas. Okay. What is an index useful in an atlas? An index helps us find places. Index spelling I-N-D-E-X. Index helps us find places on maps. M-A-P-S, maps. It is a list of names of places, P-L-A-C-E-S, places in alphabetical order. Alphabetical, spell the word alphabetical. Alphabetical means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, likewise. Okay. Alphabetical, A-L, P-H-A, B-E-T-I-C-A-L, alphabetical order, O-R-D-E-R, order. At the end of an atlas, A-T-L-A-S, atlas, end of an atlas. An index helps us find places on maps. It is a list of names of places in alphabetical order at the end of an atlas. Once again listen. Knowing the earth. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is a globe? A globe is the model of the earth. A globe is the model of the earth. Question number 2. Why is an index useful in an atlas? Why is an index useful in an atlas? An index helps us find places on maps. It is a list of names of places in alphabetical order at the end of an atlas. An index helps us find places on maps. It is a list of names of places in alphabetical order at the end of an atlas. Okay, clear? Do you have any doubt? Please ask Zoom class. Okay? Okay, all should study well. Stay safe. Stay at home. Don't waste your time. Obey your parents. Okay? Thank you. Bye.